Standard 8 Subject Geography. Lesson number 1 Local Time and Standard Time Part 3. There are different local times within a country. Because of longitudinal difference, discrepancies emerge in carrying out the daily business. Therefore, the local time at the longitude passing through the middle of a country is generally considered as a standard time of a country. This standard time is used all over the country. Normally, if the difference between the local times at the extreme west and east longitude passing through a country is less than 1 or 2 hours, only one standard time is considered in a country. But if the difference between the local times is more than 1 or 2 hours, more than one standard time is considered in a country. So, now we can see some problems and try to solve them. Mumbai is located at 73 degree east longitude. Kolkata is located at 88 degree east longitude. Find the difference between the longitudes of these two cities. Answer: Mumbai is located at a 73 degree east longitude. Kolkata is located at 88 degree east longitude. Therefore, the difference between the longitudes of these two cities would be of 88 minus 73 is equal to 15, that is 15 degrees. If the local time of Mumbai is 3 pm, then what would be the local time at Kolkata? Statement: for any longitude lying to the east of particular longitude, the local time increases by 4 minutes for every longitude. The difference between the longitudes of Mumbai and Kolkata is equal to 15 degrees. Difference in local time is equal to 15 into 4 is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes divided by 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. Kolkata is located to the east of Mumbai. Therefore, if it is 3 pm in Mumbai, it would be 4 pm at Kolkata, ahead by 1 hour. Both Mumbai and Kolkata are located within India but on different longitudes. Hence, the local time differ by an hour. We have just seen if the difference between the local time at the extreme east and west longitude passing through a country is more than 1 or 2 hours, it is not possible to consider one standard time. So now tell, in spite of having more longitudinal extent, how can the standard time be same? On a given longitude extending from North Pole to South Pole, noon time is same at all the places. Hence, even though the longitudinal extent of a country begin large, the standard time is the same. Think about it and answer. In which of the following countries does only one standard time exist? Mexico, Sri Lanka, New Zealand, China. Answer: from the given countries, only one time exists in Sri Lanka, New Zealand and China. Indian Standard Time IST has been decided according to the 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude which passes through Mirzapur near Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. This longitude passes through the middle of the country with reference to its longitudinal extent. The local time of this longitude has been selected as the standard time of the whole country. When the sun is directly overhead on this longitude, then it is assumed that it is 12 noon everywhere in India. There is no difference of more than 1 hour between the local time at 82 degree 30 minutes east and other places in the country. Now observe the map and answer the questions. Considering the longitudinal extent of India, how many longitudes with a difference of 1 degree can be drawn on the map? Answer: considering the longitudinal extent of India, 29 longitudes with the difference of 1 degree can be drawn on a map. By how many minutes do two consecutive 1 degree longitudes differ? Answer: two consecutive longitudes differ by 4 minutes. What is the value of degrees of longitude at Mirzapur? Answer: the value of longitude at Mirzapur is 82 degree 32 minutes east. If it is 8 am at 82 degree 30 minutes east, what would be the time in their clocks at the following places: Jammu, Madurai, Jaisalmer, Guwahati? Answer. If it is 8 am at 82 degree 30 minute east, it would be 8 am in their clocks at Jammu, Madurai, Jaisalmer and Guwahati. The distance between them is more. Why doesn't the standard time differ in these places? Answer. In India, the time at 82 degree 30 minutes east is considered as standard time of India. Therefore, the same time is considered everywhere in India. Therefore, though the distance between them is more, the standard time doesn't differ in these places. Universal Standard Time. For an international coordination between countries, the local time at Greenwich, that is Greenwich Mean Time in England, is considered to be the international standard time. The difference in standard times of various countries is calculated with reference to Greenwich Mean Time. With respect to businesses at global level, there should be compatibility between the standard times of various countries. To facilitate this, the world has been divided into 24 time zones. These time zones have been created with reference to the prime meridian itself. For example, the Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. If it is 5 pm in Greenwich, then in India it would be 10:30 pm. If it is 8 am in India, what will be the time in Greenwich? Answer. If it is 8 am in India, it would be 2:30 am in Greenwich. When it is 2 pm in India, in which countries would it be 2 pm too? Answer. When it is 2 pm in India, it would be 2 pm exactly in Sri Lanka. When it is 9 am in India, what would be the time at 82 degree 30 minute west longitude? Answer. When it is 9 am in India, it would be 10 pm of the previous day at 82 degree 30 minute west longitude. What would be the time at prime meridian when a new day starts at 180 degree longitude? Answer. It would be 12 noon at prime meridian. At United States of America, an institute named National Institute of Standards and Technology, that is NIST, has developed the most accurate clocks in the world. Clocks have to be adjusted by 1 second, added or subtracted once in 20 million years. In India, the National Physical Laboratory of India, NPL, New Delhi, gives service of accurate timekeeping. The clocks used here are accurate up to 1 lakh part of a seconds. As accurate time is required for space research, artificial satellite launching, etc., these clocks are used in these activities. Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II, the king of Rajasthan, was a great astronomer, mathematician and architect. He built 5 astronomical observatories called Jantar Mantar at Ujjain, Varanasi, Jaipur, Delhi and Mathura. The one at Mathura doesn't exist today, but one can visit the other 4. Even today, one can know the exact time up to seconds through shadow. Jantar Mantar do not only have sundials, but they are complete astronomical observatories. One can observe the sky from here too. With the help of the instruments at Jantar Mantar, it is still possible to see astronomical observations. After the advent of modern instruments, now these instruments are more of a cultural heritage. Thank you.